Yeah, he sets my body in motion. He knows how to turn things up. And he knows what gets me going. Yeah, like a little text saying, hey, what's up? They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much.
So today's video is sponsored by Yolissa Hair. They sent me this beautiful package, which I'm going to be unboxing and showing you guys the content of it, like right now. Inside the box comes the wig, which I'll open in a bit, but let's look at other contents of the package. It comes with a regular care card and also an elastic band. I'm not sure I'm going to be using this today. It depends on how like snug the wig fits. If it fits perfect, I don't need the elastic band, but if it doesn't, I'll need the elastic band. So this is their 6x6 closure wig, and they sent me the length 24, and I think the density is 180. No, I think the density is actually 250 density, 250% density, because this hair is, oh my god, straight out of the package. Can you guys see this hair? My light is really washing both me and the hair out right now, but I hope you guys can see. And this hair is so full, you guys. Oh my god, this hair is a lot of hair. Wow, straight out of the bag. I'm just getting, as I'm running my fingers through it, I'm only getting just a few strands. Hope you guys can see, just a few strands of shedding, and the lace pretty much comes not bleached. I can already see this wig being my everyday wig, like, because it's 6x6, and 6x6 is literally the same thing as having a 4x4 or like 5x5 closure. You don't need to glue it down, you don't need to do anything to it. And today I'm not going to be bleaching the knots, but I'll be trying out the Sally Hansen Airbrush leg spray, and I got it in the color Deep Glow. Honestly, you guys, I am tired of bleaching hair. I don't know who else is in the same shoe or the same boat as me. I am so tired of bleaching hair. So I decided to go and pick up this Sally Hansen airbrush leg spray. I got it on Amazon. I'm going to leave the link in the description box just in case anyone wants to get it. I mean, just in case it works, because I really don't know how it's going to be in this video. I'm going to do it with you guys, like you're going to do it with me. So I'm just going to go ahead and spray this because your girl is not washing this hair. I am not doing anything to this hair. I just want to spray this and put this on my head. So let's get to doing that first.
Yeah, he sets my body in motion. He knows how to turn things up. And he knows what gets me going. Yeah, like a little text saying, hey, what's up? They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time? Yeah, he gets when I'm in a bad mood. Then he knows how to make it alright. Yeah, I get that he got a history, but I don't wanna think about no other than us. They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need good all the time. Nah, 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 no drama, yeah. Nah, 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 no drama, yeah, yeah. Nah, nah, nah.
This already fits so snug. I'm spraying some water on this hair because this hair has a lot of flyaways. So I'm just trying to get the hair off my face so I'll be able to work with it in peace.
What about it? Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time? Nah, 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 no drama, yeah. Nah, 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 no drama, yeah, yeah. Nah, 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 no drama, yeah. Yeah, he sets my body in motion. He knows how to turn things up. And he knows what gets me going. Yeah, like a little text saying, hey, what's up? They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time? Yeah, he gets when I'm in a bad mood. Then he knows how to make it alright. Yeah, I get that he got a history, but I don't wanna think about no other than us. They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time? Nah, 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 no drama, yeah. Nah, 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 no drama, yeah, yeah. Nah, 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 no drama, yeah. Nah, 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 no drama, yeah. He's got a bad history, but what about it? Yeah, he's got a bad history, but I want him anyway. So look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. But what about it? Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time? Nah, 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 no drama, yeah. Nah, 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 no drama, yeah, yeah. Nah, 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 no drama, yeah. Nah, 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 no drama, yeah, yeah.
Done styling this wig, and do you see the transformation of this wig? Do you see how beautiful this wig turned out? Like, oh my god, this is the wig. So I'm going to go over the specs and details of this hair one more time so you guys can have it like all put together. So I have the Yolissa body wave 6x6 wig, and I have it in the length 24. I have it in a cap size medium, and I also have the density 250. I think I mistakenly said 200 or 180 earlier, but I do have 250. And I had to re-say the details of this hair again because as I was done, even when I was working with the hair, I'm like, there's no way this hair is going to be 180% density because it's a whole lot of volume. So I was like, I must have requested for a 200 or 250, and yes, I did. I requested for a 250% density. This is a lot of hair, and honestly, I'm not even going to say if you don't like a lot of hair, you can get like 180. I would say this is the right amount of hair for like a half closure. If you have like a full frontal, like 13 by 6 or 13 by 4, it's okay to like, you know, go with 180, 150 density, like the minimum. But if you have like a closure like 4 by 4, 5 by 5, 6 by 6, 7 by 7 closures, I would say go up with density. So either 200 or 250. 180 is okay. 180 is like the minimum you could go for closure. Now let's talk about this. Okay, you guys already see how excited I am, like even talking, so you know that I like the hair. This hair is going to be my everyday wig from this day henceforth, because first off, it is the most easiest wig that I've ever had to work with. I think maybe because I just took it out the pack, and the Sally Hansen made a whole lot of difference. If I'm going to talk about this Sally Hansen, this is every girl's best friend. Like when it comes to like wig lovers or girls who like to wear wigs, or even installs, because I know if you want to do an install to your hair, you still have to bleach the closure or the frontal. This should be your best friend. I don't even know why I was sleeping on this thing. I've heard of it like since last year, but I just never paid mind to it because I mean, I was like, what could it possibly do for me? But I was so tired of bleaching hair. I was like, okay, what can I possibly do to not bleach hair? Like, I just didn't want to bleach hair. And I did a lot of research, watched a lot of videos. I even tried to make like my own type of, you know, solution to not bleaching hair, but it didn't work. So I decided to buy the Sally Hansen. This is the real deal. This is the real deal. This hair does shed, but it's not as, you know, as minimal as I would say other wigs. It sheds a little bit more, that I have to be honest about. Secondly is this hair is true to length. I feel like it's even longer. I want to go up so you guys can see the length. It's so long, you guys. So it's true to length. I got a 24 and it is indeed a 24 because it's even kind of longer than a 24 in my opinion. This could be like a 26 considering the fact that it has waves and all that. Now I'm going to talk a little bit about this iron. This iron was actually sent to me by another company that I'll link in the description box below, and I decided to try it for this hair to just see how it works on like silky hair, like really silky hair. And that's one thing I'm going to say about this hair, that this hair does hold a curl. Although I went in to use this Taft Invisible Power Holding Spray. You guys know that I love the other Taft, the one with the yellow under, for laying down my lace, but I didn't use that today. But I used this to hold the curls because I was using the crimping iron. So this is a very perfect holding spray for your hair. It can also, I've used it before for another of my wig to like lay the lace down. It can hold the lace down, but it's not as effective as the other Taft Power Holding Spray. This one is just for the hair, and I love it because despite the fact that I sprayed on the hair and I used heat on it, it's not crunchy. You know how you spray like a hairspray or a holding spray on your hair and the hair becomes strong and crunchy? It's not like that for this hair. This hair is still soft, but it also still holds a curl. So this hair holds a curl so good, like perfect. So you don't have a problem with that. You guys are already familiar with how I do my reviews on my channel. So I like to rate my reviews on a scale of 0 to 10, just so you have a better idea of how much I love and appreciate the item. So for this hair, I'm going to give it a perfect 10 out of 10. This is my everyday wig. Like, sis, I have found the perfect everyday wig to work and to all my daily activities. This is just a wear and go. And this, you guys know, you guys saw when I was wearing the wig, I just have a an elastic I just have an elastic band on, and I just secured it at the sides and then wore the wig. So says get yourself this wig. This wig will save your life. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, go ahead and do so. I have my community post still up, and it's going to be up for an extra 1 day. So please do not forget to go over there and leave your questions, and I'll record the video in, I think, tomorrow. So expect the video to be up very soon. I'm also going to leave a question tab, or you know how you ask questions on Instagram. I'm going to do that tomorrow as well. So you can also, if you don't want to stress yourself and leave the questions in the community tab, you can also go to my Instagram, which is going to be linked in the description below, and then look out for the questions that I'm going to open, and just, you know, type in your questions. That's another easy way for you to leave questions for me to answer tomorrow. So follow me on all my social medias, follow me on my Instagram if you're going to miss out on, you know, the post for tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for the support. Thank you so much for sticking with me and sticking to the end of this video, and I will see you in my next one.